I am showing you a hidden tool on the internet, thumbstudio.com. It is a 100% free thumbnail designing tool. You can sign in with your Google account, then scroll down to browse through amazing thumbnail templates. Just click on one template and click the load button. Once the thumbnail is loaded onto the canvas, you can edit the text, change the font, add images from your computer, and choose from amazing and attractive text presets. After creating the design, simply click on the download button, and you're done. It's super easy and totally free.